guys, this is Greg Siegel from Codable, and today I'm going to be showing you something different. We're going to do a little bit of Python today. So this is stepping away from our X tutorials for a minute, and we're just going to go over to CodeRunner. Now if you're running on this on a PC, then you have like PyScript, and just type in Python editor on the internet and you'll be able to download. There's hundreds of them. You can easily acquire one of them. But if you have a Mac, CodeRunner is a great little device. Not only does it allow you to run Python, but AppleScript, C++, C, all of the above here. So it's a really nice piece of kit that I use quite often. But let's just get down to this. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to just do a little bit of basic math within Python. So we're going to just use some basically algebra. We're just going to start off by going, I'll zoom in for you guys so you can see this properly. There we go. So I'm just going to start off by typing A, and then we're going to brackets open, and then you'll see that another bracket will automatically appear. And within this we can type in anything we want, but I will type in just a simple maths problem. We'll just do 1 plus 9. That will be A. We need to do an equal sign, sorry. There we go. So A equals 1 plus 9, which we will know is 10. What we can keep doing these, we can do B equals brackets open, another bracket will appear, and we can maybe do 3 times 7. So just really easy problems at the moment, but it'll all make sense in a minute. So basically we're typing out these maths equations, and we can actually figure out the values of the equations in the brackets. We can also do other various things, which I'll show you in a bit. So we'll create one other variable for now. We'll just do 5 minus 8, and that will be C. So C equals 5 minus 8. So now we can do another piece of code, which is print, and you'll see it'll just appear in green. We'll click on print with the brackets. We can delete all of this, we don't need this. We can maybe just tell it to print A. So now what we're going to do is basically print is symbolizing when we run this piece of code, it will print whatever A equals.
It's 16:30.
And my clock goes again, as usual in these videos. Okay, so whatever A is, it will print. So in the brackets we have 1 plus 9. So if I zoom out and I press run, and you'll see down here, if I just zoom in, that it prints out 10 into a button here, and it says run completed in 47 milliseconds. Not that that really matters, but it's basically printing whatever's in A. Okay, so if I zoom back in, this is quite useful. You can if you're trying to work out a math problem, if we move this down, you can do various other things, but I'm just going to show you a few more. If we create a few more variables, we'll just do D equals brackets open. Let's think we could have 100 or 1005 divided by 8. For E, we could have brackets open. Let's see, 70 plus 56. There we go. So for this one, I'm just going to put the brackets open again. We'll move this back. There we go. We can now start doing various other things. We can do A plus B, and then we can brackets open. We could do a minus here, minus C. So when you're doing brackets within brackets, you have to remember you can't just leave it open like that, because you have to equal out the brackets on either side. So you've got one bracket here and one bracket here, so that's equal each other out, but we've got this bracket over here, so it's unequal. So we need to close that off with another bracket. So what this is saying is that it's going to print A, which is, we know 10, 1 plus 9, plus B, so 10 plus B, well, what's in B? It's 3 times 7, that's 21. So B equals 21, so it's doing A, which is 10, plus 21, which is 31, and then it's going to take away whatever the equation of c is, and c is 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. And so what that's going to do, it's going to minus 3 from 31, did we say? So I think that's about right. It's off the top of my head, so let's see if I'm right. 34, so nearly there. Okay, right. So it's done the math equation, and it equals 34. We can check that if we want in our calculator, if I go into my dashboard. Let's have a look. So it was 10 plus 21, which it's 31, and then we do minus, oh, we're not going to be minus 8. Let's see if it does it. No, this is a rubbish calculator. Okay, but we'll take its word. It is most likely correct. For our next one, let's just do something different. Let's open up our brackets again. For this one, let's do d minus e, and we can do brackets open, times by a, and then let's see, we could even put in here d times a minus 10. Now when you're doing this, you don't have to just do the numbers up here. You can add extra numbers within the equation as well. So let's have a look. Our brackets are balanced. This should work. So if we zoom out and we go to run, there we go, we'll get an answer of 125. So this is a really simple process. It's quite fun to play around with. You can do even more variables if you want to. You can have as many as you want and then print different combinations of them and figure out the answer. But this was just a really simple video of how you can do that, just to get you started. There's lots of different editors on the internet which are easy to find. Just type in Python editor, or PyScript is a good one if you're on a PC, or if you want to use one of the Mac, Code Runner is a good one as well. You may be even able to do it on Text Wrangler, or I think it's called Edit or Notepad, or on the Mac. I'm not sure I can't remember what it's called, but you can use that as well, I believe. But yeah, I'll be releasing probably a few more of these videos. Python's quite fun to play around with, so I'll show you a few more of these. Okay, thanks guys for listening. I'll talk to you later.